has ideas of what to do here.
Nah, I was gonna do it right after this. So this
We
is
shoot them.
unfortunate.
Lucky for you guys, I did the homework, so I can lead us through what we're going to do. So,
Okay,
Me too.
lead me, Grendel.
for first point, what we're going to try first is a basic shield comp. Assuming they run something that puts them on the high ground, we can just go left and below, which means that we're going to have minimal amount of time, or they will have minimal amount of time to actually touch us. In that scenario, I'm going to be speed boosting us there, and we go to point and fight us. So I would suggest Ryan Hog, since we only need shields to shield us 2 point, and then from there we're going to need some damage. As far as DPS goes, I would actually suggest a Genji, as well as some other kind of hit scan. So probably Tracer, maybe Sombra.
If your concern is Pharah, then I would rather do Sombra against that.
Okay.
With
She does
Shadow's
have
King.
another spray. Yeah. Okay, so let's do Sombra there. So I will.
Shadow.
Genji or Doof?
Ooh,
Which is better?
good question. Probably Doof, because there are a lot of close walls here.
Oh yes.
Dude, if someone gets hacked, you can just like hit them, and then they'll they'll just die because they can't get away.
Whoa. Neat trick.
Pro strip.
Gotcha. So we're gonna go see where they're held. Assuming that they are going to
They have a
high
jump.
ground. Yes, they are. Okay, we're going below. Everyone
Below?
drop below.
Okay.
Yep.
Yikes.
We gotta move
Below.
around fast.
Squadron.
We're going to speed boost 2 point.
There's a trap by the statue. Watch out. Doomfist is waiting here.
2, 1. Let's go, go, go.
Doomfist is hacked. No, he's not.
I hear you.
He's not.
You're at point.
She's half, 2-1, broken.
I hear you. Come to point, come to point.
I'm on the Steva.
I'm on the Diva as well.
So low.
Diva out of mech.
Give me some healing.
Doom.
Doomfist, I'm down.
Doomfist,
We're down 3, be aware.
back left.
Oh shit, alright.
I was
Fall out, I
come
guess.
back.
Fist is low.
Oh, dude was super low. Fall out.
Not
let's-
completely out, just hold by statue.
Looks like he's going to the right again.
We can just walk in mid right now because they don't have high ground.
Exactly.
Okay.
Hold on.
Doomfist is up.
Let's wait for our hog.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So right on my ground again. My shield's breaking.
I hear you, here. We're a little split right now, be aware.
I got Zen.
Nice job, nice job.
Alright, I have
Push
Coalescent.
through.
Probably get
Top
it.
right.
Circle.
Push, right side. I got trapped.
My shield's so broken.
I'm alive.
Alright, walk around right.
Okay, Junkrat on point.
Oof, I got pooped out.
I hear you. Junkrat, 2 hit on point.
I'm getting so
Oh,
CC'd
Mercy
right
super
now.
low.
I hear you. I'm on the Zen. Zen's half.
Fist in us. Fist one.
Doom low.
Here,
Doom down.
Doom down, nice job. Next one's down.
Leave a half.
Watch for Rez.
I'm down as well. Rise is up.
I'm hitting Q.
Okay, let's regroup. No, we should
We
regroup.
can do this.
Oh no, I'm down.
Okay.
I should not have hit Q.
Let's take a look at our team comp versus
I have
theirs.
Shatter now, though.
I've
Awesome.
got an idea.
What is it?
We're gonna go through the roller coaster place, wrap
Okay.
around to second point lane, and then come
Yep.
in from the back.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Oh, they're holding
They're up
Griffin
top.
again?
Yeah.
I'm coming in.
Okay, yeah, they know. Let's just
That's
let's
alright.
continue moving.
Continue to wrap her around.
Yeah. Careful what you alone over there.
Yeah.
Good job,
Oh.
good job.
Oh fuck.
Okay,
Mercy's hacked.
Arissa dead.
They used 2 ults there.
No mech. I stole her mech.
Good job, good job. Focus targets. Let's get on the Mercy.
Junk low.
Doom,
Okay,
Doom,
Doomfist is half.
Doom.
Mercy's hacked again.
Doom fist.
It is a Mercy at point. Doomfist is coming in on
Doom
left.
fist.
I hear you.
It's just Doomfist.
Okay,
Coming in.
Nice.
good job. Okay.
Alright, that was fun.
Watch out for tire.
Watch tire.
Big beat.
Oh, they popped down to
Bonko's half.
Rongo.
Bonko dead.
Good job. Look out for Doomfist on me.
Hear you?
Doomfist
Doom
behind us.
fist behind.
Yikes.
Doomfist no cooldowns. Mid.
Hear you?
Doomfist down, nice job. On the Diva.
I'm on Diva. Diva out of mech.
Nice.
Good job, good job. Risa next, Risa. Good job.
Good.
Alright, that was
Thanks
Got
for
a little
carrying
worried
me.
there.
Just walk behind them and kill all of them. That's the strat.
Yeah, this is a good push.
Thanks, Randall.
Yep, for second point, we need to be moving with carts. This is just
They're
a
up
basic
top.
cart. We can change comps.
Multi,
if we
you should
would
back
like.
Almost heavy MP.
Gosh. Alright, let's aim.
Yeah, careful Shadow for your line over there.
Should I push up top with you or stay in mid?
We're probably gonna have to get them off here first.
Alright.
If we just hold right side of cart, control the inside of the
let's-
nexus.
So
Okay.
tanks here.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna back up.
Okay, yeah.
So they're holding high ground over there, which is fine, but if we get a shield on point, they can't do anything to us.
Okay,
Fist,
that's-
fist, fist.
Fist hack.
Good job, good
Nice.
job. Careful, 6 it's
Moira.
Where's Moira in from the shield? Good
Moira
job,
down.
good job.
Ooh, I'm
Stuttering.
Good job, good job. Get the, I'm on the Risa. Risa's,
Alright, they
Risa's
passed.
full.
Soldiers hack. Soldiers hacked above us.
Hear you.
Okay.
Soldier
Hold
drop
the
on the
cart.
cart.
I hear you.
Soldier down.
Good job, good job. They have a meteor strike your way.
Spread
Yeah,
out.
it's gonna be
Spread out.
coming right here.
You do it.
Die.
I don't know.
We can get the Doom Fist. He's half.
He's
I
low.
did once.
Hitting
He's
Q.
low, he's low.
Okay.
Good
Nice,
job,
nice,
good
nice.
job.
Nice.
Focus
Turns in the
targets.
back. I can't reach him.
Nice. Doomfist down.
They're
Good
all
Oh,
shit.
that's one. Nice. Oh,
Oh, Diva Bomb, Diva Bomb.
Nice,
Oh,
nice,
no.
nice. Nice.
Good shit.
It's just those two.
this is low. Soldier.
Wrist it down.
Okay, we just have a little
No, no.
Good
Nice.
job, good job.
I
Let's
got
clear
bad
our
spawn.
reinforcements.
I
Pushing up.
got good spawn.
Alright,
job, good
I'm
job.
gonna push into their old
Oh,
spawn.
careful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm down. They're half in there. We can kill a lot of them.
Diva's
Diva's
one,
almost
Diva's
out.
one.
Diva,
Nice.
Diva. Good job.
Zen's over here still.
Get on. Yeah,
Damn.
nice.
Nice.
They have Tracer.
Okay. I'll stay on card if everyone else wants to move up. I'd only go
Alright.
to the last man though, not any further.
Moira's hacked. She has
Six.
coalescence.
6 in
Hammering.
the flank. Good job, good job.
Oh, I fucked it up.
Moira's half.
Oh,
Moira's one hit.
Miss her right.
That was my bad.
6 is down. 6, Moira has
should have swung
coalescence.
more.
Careful, Tracer.
On the left.
Yeah, Tracer's half.
Nice.
Good job.
Tracer's hacked.
I need healing behind.
Ready? I'm on the Diva right now, just kind of spamming. I'm gonna taxi 6, be aware. Right here.
Thanks.
I have some
Oh, I hit
barriers.
someone.
Well,
I'm
How
gonna
soon
sound
do you go?
barrier.
Sorry. EMP high noon, EMP high noon.
EMP 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Oh, is Diva.
Oh, right side, Risa.
you got him, May?
Ever so
Tracer's
low,
behind.
Risa dead.
Hey, you Diva first. Now
Maybe Diva
Tracer.
dead.
Good
Three
job.
down. I'm going to the
Nice.
door.
Team
GG.
kill. Nice job.
Oh my
Or not
gosh,
GG.
that was
On the right door.
Beautiful. Nice.
Good job, everyone. Good job.
Yeah, that was some really good coordination there, guys.
The thick noon.
Flick.
Switching sides.
I don't even
That
have
was
to,
pretty
like,
good.
shot call everything. It's amazing.
Select your heroes.
Okay, so for defense, we're gonna need something fat to break shield. So probably fat. So like maybe a Risa Hog. And then we can hold on high ground. And I don't know. We need something.
Which high ground, Griffin or above point?
Which do you think is better? They both have advantages.
I feel like if
It
we do the
depends
one near
on what
point, we should
DPS
have two
we're running.
shields.
I heard you ulti. Who else talked?
I did. I said it depends on like what DPS we're running. I think if we're running a rat, then we could hold the Griffin, but otherwise, I think we should probably hold the one on point.
Okay. I agree with that.
Do we want to? No, that would be dumb. All right.
Okay. Yeah. So let's definitely.
I was
hold
thinking
high
if we hold a tor, like if we want to hold point, we can just put Torb turret in the.
Holding the one near point makes it really easy for me to hack people. If you guard my
Yeah.
translocator, like, I don't have to go far at all.
This looks like an easy solution.
Is
let's
there a side that we should be standing?
Attackers
I feel like the right side's more open, so I should shield right side, and then you can use the boat to duck to the left side.
Yeah.
Everyone quickly familiarize yourself with the closest health
Oh, they
packs.
swapped that one.
I'm gonna hack the mini right behind us.
Behind
but
us.
Oh
that's
yeah.
fine.
Okay.
By the way, in case you haven't played this map recently, they changed where the health packs are because there were too many
Oh,
megas
boy.
in your point. So the one below point's a mini, and the one
Yeah.
inside of Duskwood area got moved to the other side of the room.
Okay.
attackers incoming.
Actually, we should be doing.
Defend objective.
Oh, okay, guard my translocator.
There's a Pharah.
I'm watching left.
Oh, it went over there.
Okay, they have a Pharah.
Hog, Diva.
Widow would have like major sightlines here. That is
That's true.
Anything my
Full
translocator.
shot on that.
Everything's on shadow right now. I don't see them moving.
They're on left.
Hogs on
They're in
left.
I'm gonna shield
Looks
left
like
side
they're
now.
doing a split.
I hear you. I'm healing next.
Okay, it looks like they're
I
running
got hooked
right.
off.
Maybe?
I hear you.
I'm gonna.
No.
Healing's on next still.
Fars
They
peeking
have a
point.
Hanzo.
They're on point.
Alright, I got
we
this.
should drop.
Discorded.
Hog tag.
Okay, dropping.
Hog
Hog
tag.
discorded. On hog.
Hog.
Hog
Diva
down.
now.
Fire's on
Mercy,
the
Mercy.
back.
Mercy, Mercy.
Fire one.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's-
fuck, the Hanzo.
he's right on the point.
Where's the
Mercy,
fire?
mercy, mercy. Fire's dead.
Good job.
Get the
Oh,
Hanzo.
we're popping off!
Nice.
Give me a step. Nice done. Nice
Coming
done.
in.
Lol.
It's not even a tick.
Yeah, not really.
Scary.
Alright, they have a Hanzo now? Instead of.
They've had a Hanzo.
They had it.
Then what
Yeah,
did the
they-
Fars switch to?
Hanzo.
Tracer?
Yeah.
Looks like Tracer.
they-
Yeah, Tracer, I think.
Yeah, no,
They
they
had
didn't have a
Arissa.
tracer before.
Okay, they're coming left.
I'm
It looks like they're going Griffin.
Okay.
Yeah, they're going left.
I'm gonna shoot left side then.
I hear you. Healing's
Okay,
on
I'm gonna
next.
EMP when they come out.
Okay.
Are they going far left?
They
Looks
might
like
be
they're-
doing the
might.
wraparound thing.
Yeah, I think
I'll
they're
check,
going
I'll check.
wraparound. I'll keep watching.
Okay, yes, they are. They are. Okay, EMP.
They're behind
3,
us.
2, 1.
Go. Diva discorded.
I got the Zen. Nice,
Diva out of mech. Hanzo discorded. Half health. Good job.
nice.
Hog.
Good. Mercy's on right.
I'm on the Hog.
Mercy's out
Yeah,
now.
I'm on this hog with you.
I hear you.
I got it.
Nice.
Oh shit, I'm
Oh,
dead.
Tracer
damn.
on point.
Oh, I dropped my
fine.
field.
Just
We can
one.
kill the Tracer quick though.
Nice.
I'm gonna have trance, so I'm not gonna switch.
Back
over.
high ground?
Yep.
They're
That
gonna
was
push fast
grand
this.
fallout.
Yeah.
I expect them to push in the next 10 seconds.
Looks like they're coming from a right direction.
Oh, they have sonar in mid-ish.
Yeah,
Okay.
careful of the logs.
I'm coming back. I'm here.
Pushing mid right now.
Oh, I almost threw that.
Almost headshot.
Yeah, they're pushing right.
Tracer behind.
Hear
Behind?
you?
Okay.
Oh, I'm stuck.
Oh, fuck.
I'm alive. Oh, it's coming through right side.
Jump off. Jump on the point. On the point. On the point.
Okay, going point.
Contact, contact.
Okay.
Good job. Lucio first, Lucio.
Popping.
Good job,
Nice.
good job.
Watch Diva Bomb.
I'm down.
Oh my gosh, I thought.
We're down 2 to that.
Throwing.
Focus targets.
I'm on Diva.
Diva on point.
On Diva.
Nice.
Diva next.
Hanzo
Help
next.
Tracer's on me.
help six. Tracer's on now.
Oh, okay.
The Tracer's half on point.
Okay.
Oh my god.
We're down 2.
Hanzo's low.
No one's there.
Okay, how many are on point?
3.
3.
Oh, 3, my bad. The top.
Okay. I'm just gonna go to support Shadow.
Nope.
It's a shame. Okay, back enough then.
That was dumb. Alright, that was dumb on
I
me.
thought we could have made it as well. Feelings on Exmo right now. Do we want to do any
Contact,
switches?
contact. He's got ult.
We can't do anything.
How did I take that? What?
I might swap Monkey when I die.
Okay.
If you do, I'll go Diva.
I'm totally down for a dive defense. If you guys want.
Diva left.
Tracer's on top.
And this Hog.
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 I'm stuck again.
Yep.
Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna swap now.
I hear you.
Tracer's low.
Diva's on me. Diva's half.
6, do you want me to go
Hog
Diva?
has no hook.
Probably?
Yeah, we
Go.
need some kind of shield. Or no, that's actually good. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's group up for an attack.
I'm just gonna be hiding with the EMP.
I hear you. We're gonna use EMP for this attack. 1, 2, 3. Wait for ulti.
Get ready.
Yeah, we're gonna
I'm
push
here.
in.
I'm here.
Countdown
3,
for 5.
2, 1.
Go. Diva's discorded.
Diva.
Lucio first. Lucio.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm
Hog
super
behind.
low.
I hear you.
Contact.
Or fade
I'm out
down.
of
Kill you.
Hog low. Nice.
Feelings on
Tracer?
6 right now. Yeah. Good job, everyone. Good job.
Nice.
Good job, video game players.
Yep.
Oh my god.
How many ults do we have? We have 2 coming up on 3.
Yep.
My healing's on 6 right now. Be
Yeah, it
aware.
looks like they're keeping the same
Hanzo's
top.
high ground.
Wolty, do you want to just jump off?
Yeah, they're all-
They're all high ground.
Oh, I got
That's fine. They're all alright.
Contact,
my
contact.
left shit. Ooh, it's
Tracer on me.
I hear you.
Nice, I'm back in mech.
Good job.
Nice.
Okay, cool.
Oh.
Diva
No
Bomb
bubble.
I
coming
might
in.
be dead. Nope.
We're good. I have trans. Hog.
Hog in
Hog
us.
point.
Okay.
Oh, we stack ults, my bad.
God, that's fine. We need to survive anyway.
I almost have Diva Bomb.
I hear you.
Hog's on back. Hog's in back.
Nice.
I'm on
More
one.
red.
Low.
More dead.
Hog's down.
Good job.
Lucio?
Lucio.
Lucio discorded. Lucio down.
Got
Diva
Diva.
next.
I jumped up to 2. 1.
Diva
Diva fell down.
I can't hear you.
Alright, they're Hanzo and Reaper.
Alright.
You can get this
Okay.
Diva. Alright, never mind. Fall back.
Yeah.
Feelings on ulti. I'm staying on cart.
Okay. I guess should I play more defensively because it's Reaper now?
True. Yes, I agree. Our spawns
still
right
have
here.
bomb.
You want to change to something?
Actually, yeah. What am I thinking?
Feelings on next right now. They're pushing in from the
They're coming right.
top.
Okay, EMP in.
Wait for them to drop.
Good,
Wait for them to
good,
Wait for
yeah,
them
yeah.
to drop, yeah. Hog going around.
Pushing me.
Hog,
Going
yeah.
back up a bit. Hog.
Hogs to back left.
I hear you.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yep.
Top.
They're pushing
Yeah.
you. Hey, EMP in 3,
Nice.
1.
Go.
Soldiers,
Nice.
soldiers.
Discorded again.
Reaper.
I'm hooked. I'm down.
Reaper.
Reaper behind. Hog behind.
Reaper
Hog
1.
behind.
I hear you.
Reaper
Get
down.
Reaper first. Good
Tracer.
job. Hog on point.
Tracer's behind us. Tracer's behind.
Hog
I'm on the hog. Get the Tracer. I'm on the hog.
Okay.
I'm on a mech.
Coming back.
Tracer down. Everyone on hog.
Oh.
They're
The hog.
I hacked him.
Focus the
Nice.
hog. Avoid the bomb.
We're good.
Got baby Diva.
Lucio
Go
discorded.
part.
Nice.
Nice.
Right side?
Yeah. Reaper's coming in main. He's gonna hold. Be aware.
Okay. Moira.
Nice.
Nice.
We're good.
Tracer.
Tracer next.
Nice.
Tracer down.
Nice
GG.
job.
Win this game.
My
Good
Tracer was not bad.
Nice. My EMPs were not bad.
Yeah,
good.
those EMPs were very nice.
Yeah, those are nice EMPs.
Yeah, they were
I
fucking
need to know.
amazing.
I need to know where they're pushing from, and then it's really easy.
Oh, I thought I was killing all these people. Come on, ulti. That's when I was like, I'm popping off.
Yeah.
You did though.
Yeah, you did.
Those
Yeah.
were headshot finishers.
True,
Yeah.
you're right.